Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to transfer a text file from a USB to a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a USB flash drive which can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 16 all the way to 1 terabyte in size. For this tutorial, we are not really worried about the capacity of the USB as long as we have the text file and are able to transfer from the USB flash drive to the Mac computer. So we can now go all the way down to the dock. Before we do that, let's just insert the USB into the Mac computer itself. Wait for that to load on screen. And there we go, we see it on screen, the Kingston USB. Let's go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, navigate to the left hand side navigation menu, the favorites, click on Kingston. And there we see the 10 commands.txt file. Let's just click on this. We can copy and then minimize Finder for the moment. Go to the desktop, right click, paste item, and there you go. The text edit file has now been copied and pasted onto the Mac computer from the USB. Let's now go back to Finder. Let's go back one. Let's now eject the Kingston USB out of the Mac computer itself. It may take some time, and there you go. Kingston USB has been ejected from the Mac computer, and the text file that was saved or that was in the USB flash drive has now been transferred to the Mac computer. So we can now take the USB out of the USB port. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.